Hello, David here, and the project for today is replacing this light bulb on a 2015 Honda Fit. I see it referred as a fog lamp, and I see it referred as a daytime running lamp. So I don't know which it is, but I know it's burnt out. This is on the right side of the car, also known as the passenger side. I already made a video on this car doing the bulb on the left side, but sometimes these cars are asymmetrical. And what asymmetrical means is they may not be the same. So I decided to video this operation. A reasonable person would think that you just take this cover off and replace the bulb from the front. But no, you have to go underneath and get it out from behind. And the replacement bulb is a Phillips H8, if you can read that. Okay, I've got the car up on jack stands, and underneath you'll find a Phillips screw right there. Remove it. And you'll see this little plastic thing will flap up, and then you could get your hand in there to get the bulb. That's it right there. And it should take like a quarter twist to pull that out. So I disconnected the wire. I pushed on that little flat thing in the middle, pulled it off. And to get that out, it's a twist clockwise. It's about an eighth or a quarter of a turn. Here's the old bulb. New bulb. Since this bulb was falling out of the package, I'm going to clean the glass off with some alcohol. You can't touch it with your fingers because the oil on your fingers makes a hot spot and it causes the bulb to burn out right away. New bulb is in. It's just a matter of snapping on the connector and put that screw back in. Test the operation. Turns out the right side is the exact same operation as the left side. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.